What's the meaning of babysitter? Babysitter. Babysitter.
Babysitter. Babysitter. A babysitter is a person who takes care of children on a temporary basis, usually while the parents are away. The duties of a babysitter may include feeding the children, playing with them, putting them to bed, and ensuring their safety while the parents are not present. Babysitters may be hired for a few hours or an entire day, depending on the needs of the parents. It is important for a babysitter to have good communication skills, patience, and a caring attitude towards children. Babysitting can be a rewarding experience, as it provides the opportunity to care for and interact with young children.